What's up, guys? It's me, Blake, and in this episode of Beyond Reviews, we are going to review the Nanlite PavoTube 15C and 30C. So stay tuned. First of all, we'd like to thank Christian Ong of MQ Lightings Inc. for sending this over for review. And we feel really bad that we have to send the Nano PavoTube 15C back because we really like the combination of 30C and 15C. What is the difference between the two? Well, it's just basically the size. This is about 2 feet long and this is about 4 feet long. As you can see, it's changing light right now. That is on cycle mode. So it's going to go through the different colors that it's set in right now. So it's RGB and it's going through the cycle. And it's changing every few seconds. And you can control that using the control panel over here. Look at that. So there's a panel right there. Can you get a focus on that? Great. All right. So each PavoTube comes with a bag like this. It's a really nice bag. It protects it. And this one is for the 4 feet one, and this one is for the 2 feet. So what is inside? It's basically the same thing. It unzips really nicely. Let's take a look. So you've got your pipe clip. It comes with a pipe clip, so you can clip your PavoTube like so. And then you've got a thread right over here, so you can put it on a tripod or on a stand like this one, right? On a Manfrotto 1004 stand. So just like that, we put it right over there and you can put it on a stand. And you can also use the wire rope right over here, and they have these little holes on the PavoTube, on the Nanlite, and you can just put it through it and it can hang on almost anything, right? But we don't like using this, we like using the pipe clip. It also comes with a power adapter right over here and master slave wire. So if you connect this to the 30C and connect it to the 15C, and I'll show you guys that later, if you connect it here and there, you can control both using one tube, right? So that's what's inside the bag. We actually discovered that it was rechargeable by mistake. One of our crew, CJ, didn't plug it on, and then we turned it on and we were like, what? It's rechargeable! Cool, right? It's rechargeable. So if you charge this fully, and you can run it on 100% for about 2 hours and you're safe. But yeah, we've been using this for over 2 months now and over 30 shoots, and it has become one of our most favorite lights to use. Why? Well, you don't have to keep it on a wire or powered up because it's rechargeable. You can put it anywhere. You can use it as a kicker, as a key light, as a backlight. You can hide it behind a wall, or take a look at some of these photos. We just got our team just holding it, and it's so light because it's a Nanlite. Okay. Let's take a look at the functions. So if you look at the back over here, this is really cool. I really like this because it shows you all the instructions, because of course you're not going to be able to memorize it, right? You have your instructions right over here, all the different functions that this Nanlite can do. And we really find it helpful because even me and my crew were like, okay, how do we change it to the color temperature, or what was the special effects? All you have to do is look at the back over here and you'll know what to do. This is pretty cool here. So this is where you get to see what function it's on right now. So as you can see, right now it's on HSI mode and it's on 360 degrees. Saturation is 100%, dim is on 100%. And using these knobs over here, so you can control the saturation, so it's going to change color, right? And so let's go to the HSI. all I have to do is use the other one. It's gonna switch. So I'm gonna put it to HSI. Let's pick a different color. I'm gonna move it. Okay, cool, look at that. That's pretty nice. And now I'll use the other button over here, the other knob, turn it, it goes to saturation to dim. I can lower the power, yeah, from 100% to 0%. Well, make sure you don't touch that, to 0% right there. There we go. And that's pretty cool. So right now it's on HSI mode. You can click it to color temperature or CCT. So right now it's on 58,000 Kelvin. It can go all the way up to 65,000 Kelvin. And we can turn it all the way to tungsten, which is on 2,700. That's pretty cool. Let's keep it on daylight right over here. On, let's say 55. And then if you go over here, this one dims it. Dim. Now, one of our other favorites on this is that you can use the special effects, right? So the special effects, you click over here and it's called special. That's easy to remember. Click on special, and right now it's on cop car mode. It's on a cycle at 35 seconds. So it's gonna keep flashing this way. And you could be like, all right, ladies and gentlemen, we're here at the crime scene. We are here to investigate the murder of, I don't know. Anyways, so you can do that. So it's a cop car mode cycle. That's pretty cool. You can also put it on storm. Let me change it again. So if you look over here, so there's special effects, storm, cop car, candlelight, 250 microsecond, 1000 microseconds, SOS, and you can also define it, right? And that is pretty cool. And right now, this one, the 30C, which is the 4-foot one, is on cycle mode. So on cycle mode, you get to define how many seconds it stays till it changes into the other color. And that's pretty cool, being at the background right now. There's so many things that you can do with the Nanlite PavoTube, and this is pretty cool also. You can also check how much battery is left. You go to menu and you use this, you go up, battery, and you click enter. Oh, and you got, oh, I've got 16% battery on this one. So that's pretty cool. You get to see all those things. Let's click back to HSI, and we are here. Cool, right? And I'm gonna show you the master-slave function on this, and I'll give you a tip. One of the things that we made a mistake on, and we thought we set this one as the slave, and we thought it just broke. We thought we broke it, but we didn't. But we'll show you how we do it right now. So this is the synchronous control cable, and this is used to use the master-slave function on the Nanlite PavoTubes. So how would you do that? I have both of the lights turned on right now, and it's on where the power button is. I'm gonna set this one as the master. So let me take off my glasses so I can see. So the master one should be in. So that's where I'm gonna put it, on in. And out will be going to this, and watch how this will have a synchronous lighting together. I'll put it on out. Oh man, I can't see with all this light right here. Okay, so it's on out. There you go. Boom. That easy. You guys see this? Pretty cool, right? So now it's on synchronous lighting. So one of the ways that you can use this, you know, if you just want to control one light and all of this is set up, you can just tweak the light on the master, and it will change the light for all the others, right? And this is pretty cool. I'll put on special again, and there we go. Synchronous lighting. Very nice. And I just want to show you real quick. I put this one on storm mode under special, and to access that is basically you just keep pressing special, and it's going to go through the different functions. And when you get to storm mode, you have to press enter to make it happen. Right? One more time. Right? So 3, 2, 1. So I'm pressing enter. Okay, so that's enough of that. And they've also made this weatherproof. How do they do that? Well, they've got this little silicone cover over here for the power button, and the tube is pretty much well protected. It is not waterproof. It is maybe a little bit light rain proof, but I wouldn't suggest using this when it's raining, okay? So it is protected, but yeah. I've seen a couple of people on YouTube using this in the rain, and they said it was doing fine. But I love this product so much, I'm not gonna put it at risk. And now to talk about the price. Well, the price of this piece right here, the PavoTube 15C 2 feet, is 12,990 pesos. How much is that in dollars? Well, it's right over here. And the one at the back, the 4 feet one, is 18,990, and it is available at MQ Lightings Inc. Take a look at the description. We are going to be really sad and miss this little guy here because we like the way it combines with the 30C and 15C. So thank you guys for watching, and if you have any questions, do leave us a comment. Please hit the like button and share, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe because we have a lot more reviews coming up. So this is Blake of Beyond Reviews TV. Watch before you buy. Watch some of these other videos too, they're pretty cool, and I'll see you next episode. All right. Let's put it on lightning mode again. Boom.